Welcome back, folks. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. This one here, folks, I'm going to let it go at a low cost. And if you bear with me, I'll explain to you why. It's a beautiful sounding flute. There's nothing wrong with it. With each key, there's nothing wrong with any one of these here keys. The only thing that's wrong with this flute is when you hit your extra high note, sometimes it'll have a little airy tone to the extra high note. But not the other notes, it's just on your extra high note, and sometimes it doesn't do it. And that's the reason I'm going to let it go very cheap, folks. You know, today I'm going to let it go. I'm going to put it on the website. And I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase it right away. And I normally would charge. Now this flute here is actually around an $850 flute, but I'm gonna let it go for maybe $450, $500 a day, just because of that one little key, that extra high note. It's not on all the high notes; it's just on one. And like I said, all the rest of the notes are crystal clear. Nothing wrong with it. So you better get this one, folks. You're not going to beat this price. But this one here is my special series bass E. Now this is my bass E flute. And it's tuned to 440 Hertz. It's been produced with cherry wood. Cherry wood is an extremely hard wood, especially this one. And it's been bored out with the 1 1/8 of an inch gun drill bit. The wood has not been split on the sides. This is a one-piece flute, you know, and so it's very durable. You can tell the way it's made. It really took some time to make it, folks. I really hate that one note was messing up with me, but you know, I'm trying to be fair and everything, and I'm really losing at that price because I have a lot of time in it and material and everything else, you know, power, you know, to make this thing. I'm losing money, folks, really. Like I said, this is an $850 flute, and it's a 9-hole also. You know, you can take and you remove this leather, you can play each hole individually, you know, or you can leave the leather on it and play it as a drone side. But I'm going to let you hear what this baby sounds like right now. But you better go ahead and get it, because I don't think I'm going to keep it long. Not for that price. Okay? But as you can see on the bottom, it is jdflutes Special Series E 440. But it's a bass E, folks. You know, it has my eagle fetishes with genuine turquoise eyes, wrapped with very soft black deer leather. Okay? Listen at its voice. No reverb. No sound effects. That's the note I was telling you about, and you see right now it's clear. It's just that sometimes it'll become airy, you know, but right now it's clear, so. Okay. side. Now I'm going to remove the leather and let you hear what it sounds like. I'm not going to play each individual hole, you know, due to time on this video. So I'm just going to remove the leather on all of the holes, and I'm going to play it for you like that. But like I said, you can play each individual hole. You can remove this piece of leather, play the hole, remove this piece of leather and this hole. You can play these two holes, and then you can remove all of the holes and play it like that. You know, that's the way I like to play it anyways. Okay, here's what it sounds like. Get this one, folks, while you can. Don't think it'll be here long. But like I said, that's the only thing that was wrong with this flute. And as you heard then, it wasn't airy. So, you better get it, folks. I'll leave the link below this video to where you can purchase it right away. It'll be in stock. You know, it'll ship out within 2 to 3 business days. It's going to how busy I am. And you'll have it. I do very fast shipping, so you'll have it, folks. Thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos. I really appreciate everything. Have a blessed one.